Welcome everyone to a new video. Today we will discuss how to calculate the pregnancy due date. What is the pregnancy due date? When to test pregnancy? How to calculate pregnancy due date? How long is pregnancy in detail after a short introduction? Pregnancy is a very pleasant experience. Though you feel or suffer from some uncomfortable condition, it is still a blessing for all parents. You will be waiting for long to meet your baby. You will be excited to know the due date after confirmed that you are pregnant. So what is the due date? How long is pregnancy? How to calculate? Want to know? Let's get started. I will try to discuss briefly in this video. When is the due date? The approximate date or calculate date of delivery is termed the due date. The due date is calculated by using a simple formula. From the first day of your last period to 40 plus minus 2 weeks. Most of the delivery happen between 37 to 42 weeks. So, the due date is not always correct. It's just an estimated date to follow in. Only 5% of labor happens on the exact due date. So, doctors always recommend adding or minus 2 weeks from the calculated date. How to calculate pregnancy due date? When to test for pregnancy? The answer is simple. After trying for conceiving or after missed a period for more than 7 days, you can test your own kit home for pregnancy. How long is pregnancy? This answer is also simple. Pregnancy is generally 40 weeks plus minus 2 weeks long. You can give mature birth from 38 weeks to 42 weeks. Any birth before 38 weeks is considered a preterm birth. Now, how to calculate your pregnancy due date? It is very easy to calculate your date. There are many due date calculators available online. Besides, you can calculate on your own. In the Naegele's method, at first, select the first day of your last period, then back to 3 months before. Then just add 1 year and 7 days. For example, if your first date of your last period is 11th January, back to 3 months ago, October 11th. Then add 7 more days. That means your date will be 18th October. On the other hand, you can count 40 weeks from the first day of your last period. You can also calculate the due date if you know our conception or ovulation date. From ovulation or conception, you may count 38 weeks. Most of the method will be easily calculated for the normal period cycle. If you have irregular periods, try to take a help from a professional or due date app. To know when your baby will actually come is a great news. However, most of the due date is an assumption for delivery. You may deliver any of the days of plus minus 40 weeks. Yet, it is very important to know the due date to check the baby's progress and preparation for labor. If you want to know each trimester, you can check our other video. If you have any question regarding this video, you may comment down below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to hit the like button. If you like the video, kindly share it with your friends. See you in the next video.